everybody. Today is November 25th, year COVID 2020. Let's take a look at what's going on in the markets. We had a little sell-off actually with Tesla. I'm in Tesla, I'm going a Tesla bull. So looking at Tesla, I'm in quite a handful of January 16th, 600 calls. Looking out for the doing the S&P play, but the chart showed a good entry. Music down and get rolling with you guys. What are y'all in today? I'm also in Boeing. I'm looking to manage that position in Boeing right now, and we'll see how it goes. Looking at Nikola also, I'll look for an entry because it's fallen below the previous day's high, and got some negative. I don't know if negative news, but their CEO, the new CEO, refused to answer a few questions regarding. Let's see, Nikola stock tumbles, puts an end to the record, the 8-day record. Bell's about to ring. Nikola stock tumbles, 8-day record. Pre-market trading. The GM talks are in line. I need to get an out of the money put to see how we go with that. But we'll put Tesla on the big board, and Boeing will stay on the big board. And I'll probably put Nikola over in the corner right here where I have the cues. All right, we got 30 seconds to the countdown. And Boeing closed at 218.49 yesterday on the 24th. I'm down a tick. I was in at 222 and I had to stop and kind of let it get away from me a little bit. So we'll see how we start out. Here we go. The bell's about to pop. Nikola's falling below. Let me put Nikola on board. And the initial flush out. Nikola 28.64. At 28.77 is the entry. I just need that first candle to print properly and see what's going on. What are we doing in Facebook? I mean, Boeing 216.04. In Tesla, I think they recalled 3,000 or 2,000. Let me get it right. Over 9,000 Model X SUVs. Something wasn't an adhesive or something wasn't. They didn't properly apply it, I guess. Getting a lot of notifications. Let's put Nikola. And all the Chinese EVs are also selling off. So let's see what this December 4th looks like. Bam, the 28s look good. December 4th, 28 put. 40 delta. IV is 210. And 25.42 open interest must be going up. 28.97. Not getting in it yet, just taking a peek. And let's see what the big board really looks like. It's running up against the VWAP. Let me short this thing in a second and put my stop right above that area, 30.50. So we're at 552, 553.60 on Tesla and Boeing's 216.85. lot of alerts going off. I could really do the 3 screen and track this a little bit better. Let's go Mamba 3-piece. Mamba Flex 3, yeah. No, don't want that. I'm wasting time. Can I get 3 side by side? I guess I just hadn't set it up right. There it is. And we have Tesla already in there. So what's Solo doing in that thing? So Tesla, let's go Nikola in this middle one. And we'll go Boeing. Boeing's up, pushing, cool. And Tesla is coming off that bottom, which I like. When I say bottom, I'm talking about the RSI. Nikola, let's move the move my expansion area down in anticipation of a short. All right, 558, 34. Okay, let's see what kind of profit I'm dealing with Tesla. Okay. Down 78. What am I in that with? That's a November 27th, 560 call. I'm in at 1180. Let's take this hit right now. Well, now we got time. 557.10. Nikola's looking for running back up. Boeing selling off. Close this gap or fill this gap and make the low print of the day and run, brother. Okay, we got a rollover coming on Nikola. Let's set it up. 30-30, we're looking to just turn 36 there. Think about Nikola. The sell-offs just haven't been lasting very long. 554, 30 on Tesla. We were up to 563 in the pre-market, after hours and pre-market. So I think we might be making the high print of the day on Nikola. 30-34. Okay, I'll pause it and come back to you. Okay, guys, I'm moving back in. I'm going to add to my position in Boeing. Got a 3-pin reversal on the 5-minute. Let me put that down, 3-pin. 5-minute, and Nikola's rolling over also. Tesla's pulling back, but here we go. Hopping in Boeing, gonna add to the same position that I have. If I can get there. Going at 455. 216.19, pretty much, give or take. So one at 455. And the reversal on Nikola, I have this time to go in yet. And with with Boeing, 41 Delta, 39, 85 open interest, and 674 volume, or 80, was it? Did it jump that quick? 42.55 IV. Go back to the charts. And Nikola is gonna I'm gonna catch Nikola below 30.50 if it comes there. Overbought on the 5. Been in the market 15 minutes, give or take. Not heavily overbought on the higher time frames. Have basically the moving average stack. I just want to get price above that. It poked its head above the VWAP, and spaces that are above 25. That's cool. Try to lower my cost basis with Boeing on its and it's above. My entry on Boeing was anything above 214. What is it? 214.21. So it might get another leg down, but I'm looking for that reversal. And Nikola, I think I'm gonna try to catch Nikola. Be a day trade for Nikola. Yeah, that'll be a better one if I can find it right. Yeah, we'll go with that 32. Make a new low, and then I'll just really, what's the low? 30.57. Bought Boeing, it was 216.40. $455. Cool. We have a pretty solid market sell-off right now. Yeah, Boeing is below my meter. That area down there, like that 1350, 213.58. Area of interest. From the standpoint of watching, looking for support. Because I'm not going to get shaken out. This is a shakeout right here. And you could, pretty much expect that second leg down. And we got it. 1, pull back, 2. And that doji was like foreshadowing for me. Now with Nikola, I want below 30.50. And I can get down, I'm gonna get down to 28 or even a $20 handle. But I mean, this is coming. I need a stronger push. 28.77 really is what I need to wait for. Let me put the alert there. At or below. $30.76. Now I can go in. Put the price on the left. Let me stop. Let me pause right quick. Okay, guys. Looks like I'm gonna go ahead and enter Nikola. Trying to wait till that next candle close to that candle prints. See if I can get it at 290. All right, in at 290, 30.28. Put. What did I get though? The November 27, 32. $32 put at, and it flipped up on me that quickly. And at 290, spread is kind of tripping. And at 290, 62 delta, and 1346, open, volume 1537. That's an L1 sell on the 5-minute. IV 153. 3020, 3017, 17. All right. And I'm gonna add to it, not to it. All right, continuation. Then I had another at $3 on a continuation. Just my target is 28.50. This let's just go to the the big board, and we'll watch Nikola and let the other ones just kind of do what they do. And I'm going to actively manage this today. And we're falling below the VWAP, which is good, 29.88. This is an all-in short, guys. You just sell all the closes. 310. I'm not paying that. See if I can get it in at 310. 320 then. All right, in at 320. Another one at 320. 29.79, 29.76. I want to, if I get a pullback and a retest, I want to get a one-to-one move. So Nikola was 30.05 and I got in at 3. $29.95. Okay, here goes the retest. My stop is up here, just above the entry, like 32.07. Boeing found support. Keep finding support over here too, fellas. Let's just keep pushing so I can get in and out of Nikola. That's a one-to-one move. Might go down a little bit further, but looking for that reversal to come back in. Time. Square must be beasting. Yeah. $29.93. Okay, guys, I'll pause it and then I'll come back. All right, guys, still rolling. 29.54 on Nikola. Let me look at the 30-minute and see what is that going to be the area. I'll throw the bucket naked on there. That 28.77 is that's the area. I'm not gonna push my luck with these guys. 29.56, 60. Yeah, I have not just had a great time with Nikola. On the short side, at least. And then it was just weird for them to run up like they did with all the controversy. But I was thinking like, well, maybe they're past it. But now we're seeing, I guess a little bit additional weakness. And that's the reversal I wanted. Ran up and touched that area that I had mapped out. And I thought it was going to start here, but that was the secondary. Got the reversal. I wanted to wait till it made a new low and actually broke this area, but I kind of entered like a little bit before, and I've added to it as we've gone down. So I'm in 3 November 27th, $32 puts on the average price of $3. And we're at 29.15. Shout out to CNBC for adding diversity to their guest list and to the fund managers and the presidents of their different hedge funds and things like that. Many people of color, just to divert. It's more indicative of what's going on in the markets nowadays. So that was great to see. I've written them down. What we have Courtney. That's my favorite flow. Loop Capital. Courtney Gibson. What am I talking about? Then we have Catherine Faddis, Degas Wright, Eugene Profit of Profit Investments, Courtney Gibson of Loop Capital, Gerald Lofton, Proficient Wealth Counselors, Paul Trussell, Deutsche Bank, Jason Snipe, Odyssey Capital, Anthony Woodside, Newberger Berman. And let me get this little extra change, 29, 26. See what it does at support. Or let's just take our profit and go. And yeah, we'll close at 360. 3. You gonna give me 360? 29.15. Give me 360. 29.14. Yeah, we're gonna get it right now. 29.09. 08. It's 73 delta, right? It's moved to 73 delta. Come on, market maker, give me that money. Give me my little change for the day. 29.05. Right when I change it. 2900. It bounced. But we're gonna get it. And we'll chase it. I'll just take that. What do we have today? 111? Okay. Thank you, Nikola. So I sold at, doesn't matter, plus 111. Sold 3 at 330. 29, 27. All right, that's a good play on Nikola. Maybe I should pause. Okay, add it to my position in Boeing. Um, I'm gonna let Nikola have it. Set another alert. At 2877 is gonna be a good alert area. We'll go 2870 at or below. All right. And let's go back to a double screen. All right, Boeing. And let me see, I got added to it 3 at 337. Cool. I love TD Ameritrade when they give me a better feel than I put in there. They gave me the best option for the best possible feel, so I'll take that. By Boeing at 405. $4.05 for the option, and 215 was the price or underlying. So we're at 240. No, it wasn't at 215. 214.67. All right. Let me pause it and let me try to manage this. And Tesla is just kind of in a little holding pattern. Nothing really going on. Let me take my VWAP off. And take it off here too. Now that's the reversal I wanted, and I'm adding to it. Adding the Boeing at 430, and I'm gonna see if I can split the difference. At 420. Just trying to manage a negative sell-off, but I'm trying to come off the bottom, bullish all ins. I can get us back to break even. Let's close out and take, we'll take that hit that I have. 215.39. And what is Nikola doing? Nikola wants to go down for that additional measured move. If it breaks this threshold here, I'll hop back in, and I will gladly take Nikola to the bank. We'll let Tesla just be Tesla right now, and let's get Nikola crosshairs. So I'm down in Boeing a nice little bit from a previous position, a previous entry. Came back and retested the breakout area. Now we're looking for a bear flag. 215.82. Boeing got me in at 215.31. Cool. 215.80. And I got in at 420 and 405. Okay, cool. Still down a few hundred. 216.01. It's probably 600 down. Ooh, 727. That was from a previous position. Here's the support on the 5-minute. All right here, congregated, just hanging. Let me, what's the time frame? It just, new candle just popped. Let's get a new push below. Let me get, I got a little bit ready. Little bit of dry powder. Now we'll do another quick scalp on Nikola. I'm gonna go deep in the money. I can capture as much of that move as I can. 360. All right. But it has to get below 28.77. And like right here, man, this is where I always want to kind of go in fast. And but this is an all-in short situation where it's a bearish reversal, but it's coming right to structure. I'll pause it, guys. Hopefully it'll drop in there for us. And okay, guys, I'm going. Not yet, but it's pushing up to it. 29.12. It's gone down to like 29.05 a couple times. So I'm really hoping that we've made the high of the day early right here, and we can start making new lows. A little pullback on Boeing. That's cool. Had a 4-candle run up a solid little channel type, small type bull channel with a little breakout at the end of it. And kind of like profit taking where the bears shorted right there. Bulls came in. The bears, I say profit taking. It was just basically a double top to where we met back up where the original breakout occurred on that little small little window right there. And this is where the definite support has been. But there's no reason to go in until it breaks and really shows me it can actually go below that wick. So patience is a mandatory virtue. All right, Tesla's back on the big board. And it's just chilling. It's like the Velez, the Bell, or Wyckoff. 548.77, 549.10. Let's open up the sidebar and see what's going on. Put Nikola down here. Oh yeah, running up into resistance. I'm trying to go on down below it, but Bitcoin 19,245. Dow, we're down 144 on the Dow. Nasdaq's decoupled from the Dow. It's up just a couple of handles, and dealing with a red day. On the S&P yes, down just a little bit, almost flat. And I'd love for Tesla to just go ahead and run again. Just go ahead and run. Do what you do best. News out about a possible military strike, U.S. military strike against Iran or Iran. So Israel is bracing for that. And I don't know what's going to go down, man, as the transition of power wraps or begins. All right, we're getting a little change in what are the Qs doing? Qs. Almost sound like I'm from Baltimore. Be more. Ford should be down. Yeah, I think you got some news. Merck, what are you doing? You're gonna get murked. What's Weemy doing? Walmart. So Walmart's up. What is Kroger doing? Kroger's down. DG, DLTR, Dollar General, or Dollar Tree. I did DG, didn't I? No. Big Lots. Okay. Nothing doing. Guys, I'm not going to bore you. I'll pause it and come back to you.